In this video, we are going to learn how we can deal with fixed assets in QuickBooks. So let's get started. Now let's see how we can deal with the purchase of any kind of fixed assets in QuickBooks. So it's very easy to deal. And in this transaction, it says on 30th January, computer purchase, which is an office equipment by giving cash. And the total amount is 18,000. So let's see. Now I'll go to company and click on make journal entries. We will simply pass a journal entry for it. The date is 30th of January. And let's try to enter office equipment here, because the major category is not only computer, but it is office equipment. It's mentioned here. So we will prefer the bigger category while creating the ledgers. So as I write office equipment, we cannot find any particular fixed asset with this name. So let's press tab and it will show you this prompt that account is not found. Do you want to set up? Yes. I'll choose the fixed assets category and you can select this same name or write the same name, and you can also paste it in description or anything you would like to. Save and close. And now let's enter the amount, which is this one. And let's copy and paste the memo here, which is this. And we are paying by cash. And that's it. This is how you can book the purchase of fixed assets in QuickBooks. Now there are many other ways of doing this as well, as we can see the tracking of fixed assets in journal entries, but we will follow this later on in the frequently asked questions section, where we will discuss some other areas of QuickBooks. But right now let's click on OK, and this is how you do it.